Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a brand new vlog. If you're new, my name is Ruth. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So I'm going to rush because my mom and I are going out. Today is a Friday. I started this vlog on Wednesday because I was recording what I picked for Riley on Wednesday. She picked I think a baguette for one from KFC. My mom went to the shop on Tuesday, so she brought her that to pack because she started on some days she's gonna be knocking off from school at 4 p.m. so we thought she needs something to eat at lunch and something to eat at like tea break. So I packed a sandwich for her in the morning for like tea break and then bucket for one for lunch. Then I decided later on, oh no man, doesn't make sense, I should get like 2 drinks for her. So that means that I will be buying just you know. So yeah, but that's fine. Today is a Friday. A wrap. I made a wrap for her yesterday as well as today, so it was too good. She asked to pick it again today, which I did, I think, mention in the comment section somewhere that this girl can literally go from Monday to Friday picking the same thing. If she likes it, she's going to have it every single day. I don't know. So because I'm encouraging her to eat, I sometimes just give in and just pack it for her. As long as it's kind of healthy, like body wrap, I don't mind because there's veggies in it and stuff. As compared to pancakes, I usually want to pack something sweet for her only one day in a week. So yes, so today I didn't record what I packed for her, honestly, because it was literally repetition from what I did my band, exact same thing. So yeah, today's a Friday. We're going to the mall. I need to deposit my diamond seller for starters, and then I need to get to Pep to get my oil because I'm running out. And then I'm gonna check the sale. You're gonna be surprised because apparently there's a buy one get one free. I was trying to avoid it. So I was honestly trying to avoid it, and I was doing well, but something so I begged my mom to go with me. So we're gonna go. It's her lunch hour. So we should go. She's working from home. We're gonna be back. It's literally just a quick in and out, honestly. So yeah, I thought let me start this vlog here, and yeah, let's go.
Put that
Happy Sunday, guys. I'm so embarrassed. So let's backtrack. When I left you guys, my mom and I were going to the shops. I tried to vlog just a little bit, honestly, because I only managed to deposit money. I only managed to deposit money and then got into Pep and then ShopRite just to get a few of Riley stuff and something for the house. That's it. When we entered Mr. Price, my mom was like, let me just check the time. And it was like literally about 2 minutes to 2. So we had to rush back home because she was working, I did say. So yeah, our plan was to go back later that day. But I had a meeting that finished later on, like I think around 6, and the shop was closed at the time. So I don't know, man. Today's a Sunday. Today's the last day of the sale, and like and I'm so sad. I'm so sad that I'm going to miss out. Even though I don't know, miss out on what, because I don't know what's at the shop, and I don't want to go there if I don't have money, because then it's gonna stress me out. So yeah, basically that's it. So yesterday I went to get some supplies. I have a client. I have to prepare food later on, so I'm just gonna go to church. After church, I'm literally just going to rush home to prepare the food, then deliver it. But I'm not gonna vlog that because I feel like a vlog before the one I posted, we did exactly that. So I don't think I will be doing that. So for today's outfit, I just thought, let me take you guys with. Actually, let me do a little get ready with me with you guys. I'm not gonna do my makeup though. I already put on my dress. I'm wearing this pink dress that I wore to my cousin's baby shower. I got the scarf yesterday. I was not vlogging in a Chinese shop called BBS. I wanted to vlog, but I felt like, you know, BBS. So yeah, all I know is that I want to style this dress with this. So I don't know how to. I don't know, man. And the weather's changing on me. I don't even know what's going on. I'll check for. I'll search on. I'll search on YouTube how to style a scarf, or TikTok, just like a quick video, and then I'll do that. So I'm not really sure if I should wear these heels. I'm not too sure if I should wear these nude ones because they match the scarf, or I should wear these black ones because the scarf has a black little area on it. I don't know, or these princess ones, or these ones. I honestly don't know. I don't know. I was thinking of changing my bag because I've been carrying the same bag for a very long time. So, oops, this one. If I wear these ones, can I keep this bag? Did you get it? But I feel like it's gonna be too much. If the bag was like a plain nude, it would have been good. Or maybe this brown bag with these heels, the nude ones. What do you guys think? I don't know. Let me try put it on, and then I'll ask my family. After that, I'll bounce. I'm just gonna do my edges, put on earrings, my watch, and then go. My plan is to leave home latest by 25 minutes to 9 because I have to pick up taps and then we go to church. So I don't want to delay. I know there was no vlog this week. I apologize. I honestly didn't have much footage, so when I tried to edit, I'm like, there's something wrong with this vlog, child. It's too short. There's no content, and I felt like it was just vague, you know. So I was not gonna post it like that, child. So I thought, let me just continue on with the vlog. And then I'll post it this coming week. So today is a Saturday. Saturday morning actually. There is a financial seminar at church, and somebody blessed me with a ticket. But anyway, let me get in. I will chat to you guys in a bit. Have you ever been broke? Have you ever been broke but nobody believes you? Because you look good, like you look pushy, so you're broke. Hey, yeah. If I find the video, I'll just put it on the screen for you guys. But yeah, like people literally never believe me, and that's the thing with I think running a small business, because I'm still very much trying to establish this whole entrepreneurship thing. Obviously I have shared with you guys before that for you to want to build a brand, grow your business, but still survive from the same business. Do you get it? Anyways, so that's honestly one of the reasons why I actually wanted to attend the seminar. I hope I'll learn a lot. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to attend the seminar. I hope, I know for sure that I'm going to learn a lot from people that have been, you know, in the industry, people who have done well in businesses, you know, people from banks who are gonna give us tips and tricks, you know, wanted to buy a house or build a house, how to go about that, how to navigate savings as well as investments. So honestly, I feel like there's a lot that I'm going to learn. So yeah, I am on time. Registration starts at 8:30. Sorry. Registration starts at 8:30. It's 8:30 right now. I left home very early. I hope you guys can hear me. Let me close the windows. I left home early because I wanted to put Riley and I's laundry at Mumsy's house. So I just did that. Now I'm on my way to church officially. Yeah, it's been raining the past 2 weeks, so I wasn't able to do laundry. Like, I think the only thing I did was uniform, because I didn't have a choice, and I'd honestly hang it inside the house and open the door. So yeah, today I'm doing the laundry, my bedding, thank God, my bedding. So yeah, without rambling, happy, I want to play a song from this phone just to get myself in the mood. You know, there's this song that I'm loving lately. I'll put it on the side. So let's go, Betuna. Guys, so I had applied like lip therapy because I knew I was gonna have braid, so I didn't want the this lipstick to just kind of get all over the place. So I think the lip therapy under made like a glossy lipstick. It's supposed to be a matte lipstick. Yeah, no, I get it. I'm trying to wipe it off so I apply again. It's quarter 2 and I found packing. So I'm just gonna reapply this lipstick and then we're gonna go. Oh, is it? I think I didn't close the water tank thing in the car, like at the, it's okay, at the bonnet. Because I'm seeing smoke. It's not a lot, but I see it. So I don't know if I should open and check, or I'll ask someone after church to come with me. I don't know. I probably didn't close the cap. Alright. Yo, I keep missing. Okay, I think I'll ask someone after church to help me. Hey. Yeah. I did such a bad job. Like, this looks crazy. But I am just gonna go. I don't have time to be fighting a lipstick.
My talk today is real estate and property development for profit. Real estate and property development for profit. A lot of what I'm going to talk about is on the commercial side, but the same principles apply to how you approach property development for yourself or when you're buying your own house.
So thank you, and it's a great privilege to be here this morning. I'm sure if you compare me to the previous speaker, you can guess the age. No, not by looks. iPad, desktop, or laptop. So it's a great privilege.
Number 56. Number 56. Number 134.
Alright, so I'm going to talk to you about credit. Credit, sekolo, or debt. I know most of you want to hear credit. You actually think credit is a bad thing.
My friend, of course.
Hey guys.
Let's go.
Yes, I'm done. So we managed at church. I'll brief you guys tomorrow morning or later on in this vlog because right now I'm in a rush. Riley's gonna kill me. So I'm at her classmate / friend's house for a birthday party. I'm not gonna vlog that. I think I'll see how the situation is because I don't wanna show people's kids or their parents or the yard. So yeah, let's go and enjoy the party. Hey guys, I wanted to close off this vlog and then I remembered that I said we were gonna talk about the financial seminar. Honestly, I learned a lot. Like I went there with a very high expectation, but I feel like the speakers exceeded my expectation. So yeah, I hope my family is not making too much noise for you guys. But yeah, I'm not really gonna talk a lot about that. I'm just gonna encourage you guys to just be on the lookout. Our pastor has said in one of the services that this year they want to have so many seminars. Well, not many, but they want to have seminars really that benefit us a lot, like on different topics. So please do check out Facebook pages. I think CRC Church, I'll put it on the side just so you guys are aware. Really learned a lot. And because we had people talking about property. Obviously I'm at the age where I have an interest in buying property. I mean, I have to buy a property, you know, whether it's for rental or just for myself, my family. I have to at one point, you know, buy land or buy a house or build a house. So I think I really did learn a lot. And then in terms of investments and savings and, you know, debt and stuff like that, just business, how people grew their businesses, you know, the mistakes we make, everything, literally. Get do like a full get there with so much information that I literally go to Mumsy's house. I'm like, girl, I wish you would have went. I wish you would have went, because obviously some financial mistakes I think I've seen my parents make, but just because we were not informed, we were honestly not informed. Even I wasn't, you know, and I have a background in finance, but some of the things that they said I honestly did not know. So I'm really grateful that I got the opportunity to attend, and I really do encourage you guys to go to some. Okay, I think we honestly deserve a part 2 of the financial seminar. Honestly, I feel like it was too short. Yeah, but it literally took half a day, but I feel like it was too short. So yeah, without rambling too much, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I really hope that you guys did enjoy. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Per